Hi, hello students. I am Rajesh Nalpulwar here. या आधीच्या माझ्या एका व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फ्रॅक्शनबद्दलची इंट्रोडक्टरी माहिती पाहिली होती या आणि फ्रॅक्शनवरचे ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करत असताना बेसिक अर्थमॅटिक ऑपरेशन्स ॲडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड डिव्हिजन त्या चार ऑपरेशनपैकी ॲडिशन आणि सबट्रॅक्शन कशा पद्धतीने केले जातं ते त्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहिलं होतं आणि मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं की मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि डिव्हिजन हा पार्ट आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहूया. सो इन दिस व्हिडिओ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड डिव्हिजन ऑफ फ्रॅक्शन. सो हाऊ टू परफॉर्म इट. आपल्यासमोर जी पी डी एफ दिसत आहे ती एन सी आर टी टेक्स्टबुकमधले एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन्स आहेत जे की मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड डिव्हिजनबद्दलचे आहेत. हे क्लास 7चं फ्रॅक्शन्स अँड डेसिमल लेसन आहे. त्यामध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि डिव्हिजन पार्ट दिलेला आहे तो आपण पाहूया. क्लास आणि टेक्स्टबुक कोणतेही असू जा पण कन्सेप्ट आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड डिव्हिजन ऑफ फ्रॅक्शन्स. ओके, तर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पाहूया. फाइंड 1/4 ऑफ 1/4, 3/5 अँड 4/3. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला 3 बीट दिलेले आहेत त्या सर्वांचं 1/4 काढायचं आहे. 1/4 ऑफ मीन्स आपल्याला फोर्थ पार्ट कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. ऑफ इन द सेन्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन. सो हाऊ टू सॉल्व, सी हिअर. सो 1/4 ऑफ 1/4 फर्स्ट बीट घेतलेला आहे या ठिकाणी. ऑफ मीन्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड in the multiplication there will be multiplication of numerator and denominator. So 1 into 1 1 is there and 4 into 4 16. Just keep in mind while performing multiplication and division of fraction there is no need to make their denominators same, because so many students know that to perform the addition and subtraction their denominators should be same. They keep in mind and perform the same for multiplication and division, but that one will be the wrong method. To do the multiplication and division no need to make their denominators same. Just we have to put product of numerator in numerator and product of denominator in denominators. So we got the answer here 1/16. Same like that 1/4 of 4/3. Now here 1/4 of 4/3. So we have written instead of multiplication sign. So after putting in numerator and denominator form there will be the two numbers which can be easily cancelled, because 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. You can cancel any number which are present on both sides, that is in the numerator also and in the denominator also. So 4 get cancelled and we will get 1/3 as the answer. Same like that in the question number 1, second bit 1/7 of all these 3 bits. So this one also you can do easily. Now see the question number 2 from the exercise. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, फ्रैक्शन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है और जो भी आंसर आया है उसको लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में रिड्यूस भी करना है. एंड व्हेन इट दैट विल ओनली वेयर इट इज़ पॉसिबल देयर ओनली वी हैव टू डू द सिंप्लीफिकेशन. सी first one is 2/3 into 2 integer 2/3. So 2/3 into 2 integer 2/3 first question यहाँ पे नीचे लिया है. मिक्स फ्रॅक्शन दिलेला आहे, डायरेक्टली आपण परफॉर्म करू शकत नाही, त्यामुळे त्या मिक्स फ्रॅक्शनला इम्प्रॉपरमध्ये कसं कन्वर्ट करायचं या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहिलेले. सो 3 2 जा 6 प्लस 2 8 by 3 and after making in a improper fraction product of numerator 2 into 8 and product of denominator 3 into 3, so we got 2 8s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. And if in the question any number given in a mixed fraction, then might be the checker or question checker that will expect that answer should be in a mixed form if we got the answer in a improper form. So 9 ones are 9, 16 divided by 9, it will gives that improper fraction into the mixed fraction. That one also we have seen how to do that, just only by do the regular division. 16 divided by 9, it will gives the quotient as a 1 and a remainder as a 7. That's why one integer 7 by 9. After that, in the second bit, 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. First of all, in the first step we have to write product of numerators in the numerator and product of denominators in the denominator, and then check that is there any number which can cancel. Yeah, here 7 7 can be cancelled. That's why, so left part is a 2 by 9. Next, some questions same like that. We will see the last one now. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So here product of numerator 4 into 12 and product of denominator 5 by 7, 5 into 7. But here nothing is cancelable. We can't cancel numbers only from numerator and only from denominator. One number should be in the numerator and one should be in a denominator, then it can be cancelled. Otherwise not from numerator only and not from denominator only. So here we got 48 upon 35 and it's a mixed fraction is a one integer 13 by 35. This is question number 2 over. Now in the question number 3, multiply the following fraction. This is also like same as a previous question. We will see one bit from this one, last one, 7th. So others you can do from your questions which is provided by already last time I given the PDF of this whole book. So might be you have solved, or if you have not solved, please go through the all questions and solve it. So might be you are having doubts, so that's why explaining some selected questions from this book. Okay, so last one, 3 integer 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. So first of all, mixed fraction converted into the improper. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 upon 7 and 3 by 5 as it is. Now in the numerator 5 and in the numerator 25 and in the denominator 5 is there, so it can be cancelable. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So the remaining part, product of the numerator 5 into 3 and in the denominator 7 into 1. So we got the answer 15 by 7 and that is so final answer is 2. Now see the question number 4, which is a greater, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So what we have to do here, so from these 2 bits I will explain one bit, other you can do that. Okay, so 2 by 7 of by replacing of here's multiplication sign is put. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Here we have to do the comparison, which is greater. It means we have to do comparison. So product of the first 2 fraction is 2 3 see 2 by 7 into 3 by 4, what it will gives to us, here 2 and 4 can be cutted. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 1 into 3 gives 3 and 7 into 2 gives 14. And in the second part 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. So 5 get cancelled and we got 3 by 8. And comparison of fraction, in the last video we have to see how to do the comparison between the two fractions only just by doing the cross multiplication, and some of the hints also given to you. Here two fractions contain the numerator are same, it means here 3 is given. So if the numerators are same in the fraction, then the fraction which is having greater numerator, that is smaller, and having a smaller denominator, that is a greater one. Now here 3 by 14, so denominator is a greater, and here 3 by 8, its denominator is a smaller, so the fraction with a smaller denominator is a greater. So that's why this is the second part is a greater. Second one you can do. Next, now question number 5. So now word problem started here. So what is given? Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. सबसे पहले है वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते समय उसको एक दो बार पढ़ लेना चाहिए और क्वेश्चन अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए कि उस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है और हमें क्या निकालना है. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे देखो आंसर की शुरुआत किस तरह से की गई है. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू एडजेसेंट सैपलिंग्स इज इक्वल टू 3 by 4 मीटर. दो सैपलिंग्स के बीच में का डिस्टेंस कितना दिया है? 3 by 4 मीटर. सो साइली प्लांट्स 4 saplings in a row. The number of gaps in a saplings is equal to 3. तो the distance between two adjacent sapling is a 3 by 4 मीटर. तो गैप कितना हो गया? 4 saplings लगानी है तो पहला sapling, उसके बाद गैप, उसके बाद यहाँ पे देखो डायग्राम में आपको दिया है फर्स्ट sapling गैप, सेकंड और गैप, third again gap, and 4 sapling. In this way 4 saplings are planted. Then how we will get? Therefore the distance between the first and the last sapling, पहले sapling और लास्ट sapling में का अगर डिस्टेंस निकालना है तो इन तीनों डिस्टेंसेस के हमें एडिशन करनी पड़ेंगे, लेकिन एडिशन से बेहतर है मल्टीप्लिकेशन, बिकॉज यहाँ पे तीनों डिस्टेंसेस सेम है. सो 3 into 3 by 4. So we got 9 by 4 meter. So the distance between the first and last sapling is a 9 by 4 meter, and when again it is converted into the mixed one, it will gives 2 integer 1 by 4 meter. So in this way we can solve the fractions word problems also. Again some word problems we will see. One more word problem. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters? What it is given? A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. एक कार 1 लीटर में 16 किलोमीटर जाती है. So how much distance will it cover? तो 2 लीटर 3 by 4 लीटर में वो कार कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी. यहाँ पे एक क्वांटिटी बढ़ने के बाद दूसरी क्वांटिटी बढ़ने ही वाली है. सो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. 1 लीटर के लिए 16 किलोमीटर, तो इतने लीटर के लिए कितना किलोमीटर. सो गिवन इज दैट 1 लीटर 16 किलोमीटर. सो 2 integer 3 by 4 liter equals to how many kilometers? So just multiplied by the 16. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4 into 16. But 16 and 4 can be cancelled. 16 only 16 is given. It means in the denominator nothing means 1 is there. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So 11 into 4, 44 kilometer is the answer. So in this way we can solve the word problems of the question fractions. Again see, this is a next exercise from the uh, fraction lesson for the NCERT book. So in the last exercise we have seen multiplication. Now we will see the division of fractions, how it will perform. So here see, find 12 divided by 3 by 4. So how to do this? Multiplication and division process both are same, only the difference is what? See, actually 12 divided by 3 by 4, by replacing division symbol we just have to put the product sign or multiplication sign, and after that any following number is there, we just have to make the reciprocal of it or multiple inverse of it. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? That is a 4 by 3, and then we have to do the product. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, so 4 fours are 16 is there. Again last bit, 5 divided by 3 integer 4 by 7. We don't have to do anything with the first number, just keep in mind, replace the sign division by multiplication and take a reciprocal of the next number. So 5 keep it as it is, and 3 integer 4 by 7, so improper form is 25 by 7, and its reciprocal is 7 by 25. So 5 and 25 can be cancelable, so 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, so we got 7 by 5, and it's a mixed fraction is 1 integer 2 by 5. So in this way we can do the division of fraction also. Reciprocal is nothing but the only we have to change numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So question 3 also having same type of bits for doing the division. See in this exercise जिस तरह से फ्रैक्शन के मल्टीप्लिकेशन के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम दिए गए थे वैसे डिवीजन के यहाँ पे दिखाई नहीं देते हैं, लेकिन कुछ बुक्स में होंगे, आप उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस भी कर सकते हैं. सो पहले वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने से आपको पहले समझ लेना है कि उस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है और क्या निकालना है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. ये जो क्वेश्चंस हमने देखे थे वो एनसीईआरटी के टेक्स्ट बुक में थे. इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपको स्टेट बोर्ड के बुक में भी दिखाई देंगे. तो क्लास कौन सा भी रहने दो, यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिखा देता हूँ. देखो यहाँ पे ये जो टेक्स्ट बुक दिखाई दे रहा है आपको 6 स्टैंडर्ड स्टेट बोर्ड का है. इसमें भी आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस दिखाई देगा. देखो यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन के जो हमने अभी एनसीईआरटी के टेक्स्ट बुक में से एक्सप्लेन किए थे, और उसके बाद कुछ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स भी है वो भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जिस तरह से मैंने अभी बताया आपको. ये देखो यहाँ पे डिवीजन का भी दिया है. राइट द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. रेसिप्रोकल यानी multiplicative inverse, we just have to change the numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. So what is the reciprocal of 2? So here nothing means denominator is a 1, so its a reciprocal is a 1 by 2, and these divisions you can do easily. So this is all for 6th standard. So 7th standard state board also given one lesson, operation on rational number. So in that also only difference in between rational number and fraction is what? So rational numbers are might be negative but fractions never be negative, but performing method or performing operation is the same. So product and division of rational number also you can do with this method. So properly see the video and solve the different type of questions which are provided to you in the different PDFs. So thank you and all the best.